Hello everyone, I hope you all are fine. Myself Revati. Welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe it for the latest notification of my video. This video is on secret of success. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first one is sleepless. This is one of the most best investment you can make to make your life more productive and rewarding. Most people do not need more than 6 hours to maintain an excellent state of health. Try getting up 1 hour earlier for 21 days and it will develop into a powerful habit. Remember, it is the quality, not the quantity of sleep that is important. And just imagine having an extra 30 hours a month to spend on the things that are important to you. So, the second one is set aside 1 hour every morning for personal development matters. Meditate, visualize your day, read inspirational text to set the tone of your day, listen to motivational tapes, or read great literature. Take this quiet period to make your spirit for the productive day ahead. Watch the sunrise once a week or be with nature. Start the day off with in a powerful strategy or self renewal and personal effectiveness. Third one, do not allow those things that matter the most in your life be at the mercy of activities that matter the least. Every day, take the time to ask yourself the question, is this the best use of my time and energy? Time management is life management, so guard your time with great care. Fourth one, use the rubber band method to condition your mind to focus solely on the most positive elements in your life. Place a rubber band around your wrist. Each time a negative energy sapping thought enters your mind, snap the rubber band through the power of conditioning. Your mind will associate pain with negative thinking and you will soon take a strongly positive mindset. Fifth one, always answer the phone with a enthusiasm in your voice and show your appreciation for the caller. Good phone manners are essential to convey authority on the line. Stand up. This will instill further confidence in your voice. Sixth one, throughout the day, we all get inspiration and excellent ideas. Keep a set of cards the size of business card available at most stationery stores in your wallet along with a pencil to jot down these insights. When you get home, put the ideas in a central place such as a coil notepad and review them from time to time. As noted by Oliver Wendell Holmes, man mind once stretched by a new idea never regains its own dimensions. Seventh one, set aside every Sunday evening for yourself and be strongly disciplined with this habit. Use this period to plan your week, visualize your encounters and what you want to achieve, to read new materials and inspirational books, to listen a soft soothing music and to simply relax. This habit will serve and you anchor to keep you focused, motivated and effective throughout the coming week. 8 1. Always remember the key principle that the quality of your life is the quality of your communication. This means the way you communicate with others and more importantly, the way you communicate with yourself. What you focus on is what you get. If you look for the positive, this is what you get. This is the fundamental law of nature. 9th one, stay on purpose, not on outcome. In other words, do the task because it is what you love to do or because it will help someone or in a valuable exercise. Don't do it for the money or the recognition. Those will come naturally. This is the way of the world. 10th one. Laugh for 5 minutes in the mirror each morning. Steve Marvin does. Laughter activates many beneficial chemicals within the body that place us into a very joyous state. Laughter also returns the body to a state of balance. Laughter therapy has been regularly used to heal person with varied ailments and is a wonderful tonic for life. While the average 4 years old laugh 500 times a day, the average adult is lucky to laugh 15 minutes a day. Revitalize the habit of laughter. It will put far more living in your life. So thank you for watching this video till the end.